Welcome back guys in the series of data structure and algorithm. Today is the last problem of array, which is called longest successive sequence. So let's understand this problem by taking example. So we have element with 2, 4, 6, 7, 5, 10, 23 and 1. So our answer should be 4 because we have longest successive sequence as 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's discuss about the approach to solve this problem. First, we sort the array. We initialize maximum size equals to 1 and current size equals to 1. We run a loop starting with I equals to 1, 2 and minus 1. Inside this loop, we check if current element equals to previous element plus 1. Then we increase current size by 1. And if we have current element equals to previous element, we simply continue. And else, we take maximum size from current size and maximum size. And we again initialize current size to 1. And after this, we simply return the maximum size. So let's understand the problem by taking another example to understand the algorithm for this. So with elements 2, 1, 4, 6, minus 2. After sorting, the array becomes minus 2, 1, 2, 4 and 6. So we check. So we have initialized maximum size equals to 1 and current size equals to 1. And we are starting from I equals to 1. So we check 1 equals to minus 2 plus 1. No. Then we check 1 equals to minus 2. No. Then we take maximum size equals to 1. After this, we have I equals to 2. We check 2 equals to 1 plus 1. Yes, because 2 equals to 2. So we increase current size by 1. And then we have reached to 4. Then we check 4 equals to 2 plus 1. No. Then we check 4 equals to 2. No. Then we take maximum size, which is 2 in maximum size. And then we back to 6. We check 6 equals to 4 plus 1. No. We check 6 equals to 4. No. Then we take maximum size, which is simply the 2 from the current size. And in this way, we have the maximum size equals to 2. So we simply return that 2. So thank you. Also solve this problem on a GFG. So this is our code, which is same as the algorithm we returned. Then we submit it. So I already solved it and it is submitted successfully. So this is our code. So thank you for watching.